Hello! Today I will make review about my new Savage A40. It cost me around 90 euros, I bought it on exhibition. Let's test it, is it as good as they say? Comes along extra 2 front glasses and 1 inside glass. The thing I like most is fast lock. The same system is in snowboarding boots. It's extra soft on head, better than my old mask. No more need to take off your mask for grinding. Now fast button outside. Hold for 2 seconds to enter grinding mode. It's very easy to use. Here you can see blinking grinding mode. To turn it off, just hold again 2 seconds the button. Here's the battery who charge from Welding light. He have 4 light sensors. Let's test it. Glass looks more green. On camera it looks more dark than in life. The glass is very bright and it's easy to see through. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.